Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I am coming on today with a small Tuesday morning haul. Found a few things, so I wanted to jump on and share with you what I picked up. My store got a few things in, but not everything that I was looking for, of course. But I found this Merry Christmas wooden stamp, and it looks like that. And I figured I could use this for Christmas. And this is made by American Crafts. I was able to find these chipboard shapes, and they were only $1.49, and they are, you know, chipboard. So I figured I'll definitely use this for embellishments for my craft fair that I'm going to be doing. And I was able to get 2 packs of these, so that worked out perfect. I did pick up 2 of these 6x6 paper pads. These are the paper pads that they were selling in Target, I think last season. And let me do a quick flip through. It's a really cute pad. Love that buffalo check. It even has some shiny gold, shiny red paper, glitter paper, and then it just repeats itself. So you get 2 of each sheet. But really fun pad for $1.49, so great price. I was able to find these layered ornaments by Die Cuts with a View. They were $4.99, and they create these little shakers. And I am going to make these. These should be fun, and I might be able to put them in my craft fair. So super, super pretty. And looks like you embellish or you shake it up with glitter. So this should be fun, and I'm gonna try that, and it was only $4.99. And then last but not least, I did get this Hot Cocoa 12x12 paper pad. I do have this pad in my stash, but I went ahead and picked it up again because I want to use it for craft fair items that I'm going to be working on. And this is just a really fun pad, and I love the black, white, and red combo. It's just a really fun pad if you haven't seen it. Super cute gingerbread men. Even has some red stripes. Really, really fun. But I'm sure you all have seen this paper pad, but it's super, super pretty. Anyway, that is my small share for you today. Make sure you stay tuned for Saturday morning crafts, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.